Right there.
Joe, where we stand, we're about 420 feet from the road. So,
all right, here we are, September 23rd. I'm back at the 38-acre parcel. Got some good news. So I called the water and power company, had the digger's hotline come out. It's called Julie here, but we got water on here. We got water line. I talked to the guy. So anywhere on here, I can run water up to a cabin site or whatever. And we got a bonus. We got fiber optic. So I might as well run fiber optic, or at least we know for the future it's there. So that's really good news. All right, so here's the starting point for today. We got our first load of gravel coming. Maybe today, maybe tomorrow, whenever they can get it in. Phil's gonna go scout a little, and I'm gonna take and do some work up here for this parking area. There's a hump right here, and then there's a hole behind it. So it's gonna be kind of messy. It's all wet. We've got a lot of rain, but I'll knock it down the best I can with the Mini. To fill in another low spot. There's a lot of rock here though, so that'll be kind of a little bit of help with the base. The goal is you want to be able to get big trucks in here at some point, you know, without having a giant excavation bill. So you work with what you got. Another hump that I'm skimming right here, pushing it down into the low spot, and then I'll just keep tracking it in and breaking it up. Right there, you can see that's about 16, 18 inch hole right there. It was, now we're filling it in. Alright, we'll check back in. Alright, you get the idea. I'm going to eventually get it to where I can back drag it on float mode, but I got to break these clumps up more, compact them a little bit more, and this will really help that big low spot in here. Alright, then I cut up the sod like this so that you could compact it better and you can kind of back drag it. Once again, this is totally cheating many steps. But it'll work. I've done it before, I'll do it again. And I don't cheat just because I like to try to do that. It's all about, you know, getting as much done for the minimal cost. You know, this stuff is pretty wet, so when I compact it and it squishes, that's pretty decent compaction, and the rock's going to go right world, you skim the black dirt off first and just make clay, but since a lot of the dirt is clay based anyways, the dirt will compact almost as good, but not quite as clay. So I'll keep picking away here, and I'll show you the after pick here shortly. Okay, so I didn't show you, but I skimmed this area. I skimmed all the grass and sod kind of off towards this runoff ditch, so it's a little bit cleaner dirt. But after I do break up the sod like I showed you with the teeth, then I track it in and back drag it at the same time to try and at least reduce, when I put that 3-inch rock, to reduce it sinking down too much. So compaction with the tracks is good in soil that's like this level of moisture. I think it'll work pretty good, so let's see how the rest of this goes. Alright, this is all I could do for now. It's a little too wet, especially down here, but it's level enough where if that gravel comes, that'll fill in all the blanks. I'm going to put 3-inch clean down for a base, and then probably CA6 or 3/4 inch with the dust powder. Maybe some 1-inch clean. I guess we'll see how it feels after the 3-inch. So a quick update on this. The stone didn't get delivered till after I had left on this day. So we're going back tomorrow, me and Sharon. Tomorrow is Saturday, September 25th. So I'll spread some of that stone out, and stay tuned to the end of the video where I'll give you a sneak peek of me getting stuck with the truck and trailer on the road here. So let's finish her up. Alright, this concrete is busted here, and there's a super steep hump. I want to see if I can yank just this section out. Just like that. Okay, and here's the after look. It looks a lot different because it's dried for a few hours, but I got it smooth enough for a nice parking area for a piece of hunting ground. I could spend hours and hours on it to try to get it graded a little bit better, but this will work just fine. And stay tuned, the next clip is going to be a sneak peek of the end of this day here, and I got some more work done on the property, so we got a few more episodes coming here. So I hope to see you on the next one, but check this out and I'll catch you on the next episode. Thanks a lot. So, I guess it went a little too smooth today. I am stuck. I'm wedged in here. can see my trailer hit that tree. So I park on the edge here because of course I got nowhere else to park. And it, you know, it's gravel all the way across, but the problem is I scooted over a little too much. And as soon as I started trying to pull, it's still a little bit uphill. You see I just slid sideways. So now my truck is buttered up to the edge here. Going straight down. So I'm gonna unload.